In today's video, I am going to teach you how to build a portfolio site on Squarespace. We will walk through the exact process of creating your portfolio pages, adding your projects, and then publishing your site so other people can see it. To begin, sign into Squarespace. Once you are logged in, you should see your Squarespace dashboard. If you already have a site started, you can open it from here. If you are starting fresh, you will create a new website. This first step matters because it brings you into the correct workspace where all your site settings, pages, and content live. Next, click Create Website or open an existing site if you already have one. When you choose Create Website, Squarespace will guide you through setting up your basic website environment. If you already built something before, opening the existing site is faster and lets you add your portfolio content without changing what you already have. Either way, you should now be inside the editor or site management area where you can work on pages and content. Now that your site is open, go to Pages. In the Pages area, you should be able to manage all the sections of your website, such as your homepage, contact page, and any additional pages. Look for the option to add a new page, usually represented by a plus icon. Click the plus icon and then select Portfolio. This creates a portfolio-specific page type, which gives you a structure designed for showcasing projects clearly. After you create the portfolio page, click Add Project. This is where you start building your actual portfolio entries. Take a moment to look at what appears on screen, because Squarespace may show fields for uploading media and entering project details. Adding projects one by one helps you keep your portfolio organized, and it also makes your page easier to update later. With the project editor open, upload your images. Choose the images you want viewers to see for that project. After the images are added, you will also want to add a title and a description. The title should be clear and direct, so people instantly understand what the project is. The description should explain the project in a short, readable way, focusing on what you did and what the viewer will learn from it. This step is important because images grab attention, but titles and descriptions provide context and credibility. Once you have entered the title and description, and you are happy with the images, click Save. Saving is the step that locks in your changes so you do not lose any work. If you are adding multiple projects, you can repeat the same process for each one. For now, after saving this project, confirm that it appears correctly on the portfolio page. Finally, click Publish. Publishing is what makes your portfolio site live on the internet. Before you publish, it is a good idea to make sure your portfolio page looks right, with your images displaying properly and your text reading well. When you are ready, publishing completes the workflow and makes your work available to visitors immediately. And that covers everything you need to know. You have created your Squarespace website, added a portfolio page, uploaded your projects with titles and descriptions, saved your changes, and published your site.